My name is Korean Kiwi Guy, and today I'm going to show you how you can make Chapagetti Tteokbokki. If you like Chapagetti noodles and tteokbokki, you're going to love this one. So let's get right ahead. Firstly, essential ingredients. To make about 2 servings of Chapagetti Tteokbokki, you're going to need 2 cups of rice cake. This is about 200 to 250 grams, and 600 milliliter of water, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dashida. Dashida is basically a Korean beef stock powder that is a mixture of flavor enhancer, salt, garlic powder, and soy sauce powder, and other spices. You can get a pack from Korean grocery store for like $2 or $3. And some spring onions, just to add some greens, and of course pack of Chapagetti noodle. And optional ingredients could be some boiled egg, maybe some fish cake or fish balls, some cheese, one of these cheese or mozzarella or whatever cheese you want, and maybe some dumplings or fried dumplings, whatever you want. Like you can add extra vegetable or broccoli. Maybe not broccoli, but carrots, onions, just add anything you want. When you have all your ingredients ready, just put everything in the pot except for the noodle. So that's 600 milliliter of water, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dashida, all 3 Chapagetti seasonings, and about 220 grams or 2 cups of rice cake. If you have fish balls or other additions, add it now as well. Once it starts to boil, cook for about 5 minutes until rice cakes are nice and soft. When rice cakes are cooked, add the noodle and cook for about 6 minutes until noodles are cooked. As it's boiling, you see that the sauce thickens as it boils down with starch from rice cake and noodle. When the noodles are cooked, it's basically done. But for today, I'm going to add some cheese and spring onions to top it off. All of this took less than 15 minutes and it tastes delicious. So if you like Chapagetti noodle and tteokbokki, try this at home and I guarantee you'll love it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and feel free to ask questions too. If you like this video, make sure to click that thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Korean recipes. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Have fun cooking.